Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, it's your boy Getson. Today I just want to show you guys something that is amazing. And okay, I decided to do the competition on the funding, whatever they call it, the fund trailer, something like that. So I decided to go in the competition, and I took some trade today. I'm sure it's this one that is going on right now. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated what is going to happen, if I'm gonna win or not, or something like that. But so far, I'm not yet here because I started yesterday. I'm sure I started yesterday or today morning. I'm not sure. But if I check the name, because it's not even under my account, my name, I'm using someone else's name, then I'm trading for that person. So this is so far the the win rate is almost 96%. The only thing I lose was like 0.06 or somewhere there dollars. That is the one I lose. As you can check, if you come to the downside, $9, you can see. This is all the trade I've been taking, and you can see how I'm trading, and everything is going just smoothly, no loss. The only loss I took was that only 9, something like that. And I took also USA8, I think was yesterday later on. Then I was just trying to see what is going to happen. Then I end up making this money. So this morning again, I took another trade. Then I'm going to show you guys. So I took a trade from here. I'll give you guys the reason of why I took that trade and what made me take the trade. Then I did not take another buy because, you know, so far it's not my account, but I'm just trying my luck and try to see how far I could go with these things. I think I need to show you guys on the Telegram because this is where I share most of my stuff. This is the public group. So I just want to show you guys first the account so that we can see that because it's not my personal account, it's this account where I took the entry. Let's see. Okay, this is just today. Then I've already closed. This was only London, and this was my entry. And yeah, so all this stuff. Then I saw another buy somewhere here, and the way it's supposed to close, you know, those kind of stuff. And this was the crazy stuff. So let us go. Then another thing that made me take this entry was this one. What I saw, because I trade more about structure. Yes, I know I'm a pure SND trader, but I do modify my stuff because I combine it with a smart money concept for me to be able to get to a point where I understand where is liquidity, where I need to sell, you know, all those kind of stuff. This is what I saw in the morning because I could see this area here. If we can check this area here, like if we put like this, let me just take another one and I show you. Okay, what I saw from this this area was this low here was the low that produced this high. Then markets took this liquidity, the previous area, they took liquidity, the liquidity that was resting here, and market come and break structure. So when market breaks structure, the only thing that is gonna help me, let's say if I wanna sell, I need to see is this area going to hold or not. That is one thing I need to look. I know my decision can not only be based on M5 and whatever, but so far, my structure point, I was looking at it on M5. This is what I was looking at because I saw this area. Like my question was, okay, if this area was a strong zone or like a strong eye, why did not come and fill this area? You see, why did not come and fill this area? And most of the people, what they'll believe, they'll say, okay, this is the order block, the last candlestick before they do what? They sell something like that. This is what people they'll say. Okay, market is already touched the order block, and this is why market did drop like this, and market break another structure. You see, like for them, that people they say no, this is what you call low resistance liquidity run and something like that. Because I know the way I learn these things of low resistance liquidity run. When market is coming, market is going to run this area, and people so they'll believe like, okay, this is a break of structure, then market has to come and hold from here. let's say even from here, include all these people. Some people, they consider this one as the order block and whatever it's happened there, and this is what you call the inducement or liquidity, then they'll target this low. This is what most of the people they'll believe, and check market get there, give them a reaction, because everything is clean. So you just need to understand where is market going. But my main issue was, if market could come up until this area but fail to come and mitigate this hidden base, what is that? Why did the market fail like that? This was the question. And since I'm also trading this other stuff, the one I understand also properly about the zone, you see, sometimes I don't mark this block. There is no logic that I need to mark this block, or people that they're marking the block, they'll say they wait for the 50%. Let's say if we go to M3, what is going to happen there on M3? You're going to see we're going to even get a beta zone. You see, this is going to be even a more beta, this candlestick here. This is the proper zone, like the way I normally look at. Now, because of not missing the entry, because I did not expect it to come more up until the top side, because I saw this hidden base from there, and I say, you know what, since I have this zone, which is also on M5, what I need to do, let me just open the trade exactly at the hidden base. This is what I do. I open at the hidden base, whatever we call it. So I open the entry from here. Then market went a bit up. Then from there, we start dropping. So when we are dropping, this is what I was looking at. What is my target? My target was for me to take out this low and take out this one. This was my target. I did not aim for like more profit and try to be crazy and whatever. No, I did not do that. But my target was just for market to come and break this area, take out this low, because this low, it became a weak low because this high, the one they produced from this low, failed to take out the strong high, the previous one, because this one was the one that caused the manipulation. It took liquidity and break structure. What about all this zone, the one that we see here? What is this? This one become liquidity that market has to run, because there is people that they are trading this trend line stuff. They say the first touch, the second touch, and the third one. Then you see what was happening here. So people, they do believe, and there is also people that they trade this other strategy. I don't know, whatever they call it a name. They'll buy from here because market come and touch this one, they'll buy. But the only thing that I could see, me and one of my students, my sister, because I don't teach anymore. So then she took a buy from here up until somewhere here. And what was the reason of this buy? We took liquidity, stop and we break structure. We create all this inducement, this clear block inducement, and check again the same scenario like the buy from there. So this is the zone, this last candlestick. Then this is the zone. Market come here and start buying. Why did my TP was here? If you guys go, I'm gonna go to the group again. Why my TP was there? Because I saw this area. Market manipulate this demand area. You see, we induce people to go with a long to buy, then market sell. So after this, market always come and trade to this area. Let me go to M3 so that I can show that inducement that was there. Do you see this inducement, the one that was there? Let me delete these things. Do you see this inducement, the one that was here? Let me also delete this one again. If you can check this inducement, the one that was there. So it make this zone become more valid for them to do what? For them to sell. This way you see they sell this huge. After they break again this one, take out this level, they retrace again, because most of the people, they believe now we are buying. You know, those ones, they trade this style, they believe we are buying, but the overall trend is for them to come to the downside. This is why you need to understand the higher time frame. What is higher time frame telling you? Where do you think market is gonna go? So the moment that I see something like this, because if we come here, I saw this, you see, I call it the BRF, the way market has to come and react. Then markets drop all the way just to come and react from this on. Then people, they are buying. That one, they understand also what is happening here. They are buying to go to the upside. This is so simple, guys, as long as you understand what is happening. But there was also another discussion that we had in the group. Someone was asking me, why market did not buy from here? Why did I select the zone above? This was the reason of me selecting the zone above. Because why this one just come here? It's like an FTR. FTR already is a FTR because it failed to return to a strong supply level. Then market sold. So already, do you think market is going to come again back and sell from here? No, let me show you guys where the discussion was. So if you guys check here, somewhere here, I'm sure the discussion still continue. Not here. Where is it again? Okay, it was about all this stuff until no, this one, not this one, because this was the way I refine my zone. You see, the TP was just here. Check where the TP was, because of this area. Let me show you guys again another one. Okay, this was the one, because if you look this one, it looks similar to the one I just shared. But do you see this one? What is happening? Market already react somewhere here. If you go back to my chart here, you're gonna see this is the zone. Market is already react from here. Or someone is gonna say, no, you see these things, market created this low, then this one become whatever they call it, so they're supposed to come and sell from here. But just need to understand where is the normal manipulation, what is happening, for you to be able to catch the movement. So this was my full process for my morning entry. I did not even refine more, let's say, to this one. I did not even use the M1 stuff, because if I use the M1, I could miss this entry. This is why I always only stick to M5 and M3, just try and understand, because me, most of the time, I don't even use this M1 stuff. So I just use this one for me to be able to catch the movement. Because when you want the best risk reward, sometimes, okay, let's say someone want to get it from there. Let me show you guys how this person going to miss, because the person want to do something like this. You're gonna miss there, and this thing is going to damage your psychology, because you miss something that is very useless because you want to get the best risk reward. No, it's not like that. As long as you understand where market is going to play. Sometimes let's say if you take an entry like here, this is where is your entry, and stop loss is like 15. If you want to get more, can get up until the top, like the, like most of the people they trade is 30 pips. Some of the people they trade at pips. Some people, they want to, let's say, to get the best risk reward, they want to get, maybe, let's say, from here. Maybe sometimes they end up missing, then they start asking themselves question, what is happening, why did I miss, and other stuff. But I did not take the sale again, because I was just holding my trade here, then the market get here and eat my TP. I did not go with it all the way to the upside, because my TP was just somewhere here. This is where my TP was. Then we hit my TP with this one, it drop all the way, then recover again. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Don't look only on the manipulation, let's say this type of manipulation, and you think market is just gonna come and print you a perfect picture like this. No, it's not like that. Market, you need just to understand, why is the market selling from this zone? Why is the market return to sell from the zone above? This is something that you need to understand. The moment you understand it, it's gonna be very good for you. You won't even fail a trade. So I hope the minute is it's more. So yeah, guys, just enjoy the video, and I'll keep you updates on how the challenge is gonna continue going. So far, the challenge is going properly. I didn't lose anything, and yeah, just that's $9. That's $9, and these people, because of $9, they put like 4%, when it's supposed even to be like 0 point something, and I'm still number whatever 300 and something, because there is people here that are crazy. Let me show you. There is one guy I saw is already sitting on 400. I don't know where there is number one. So if you check this person is 62% is number two, because he's already double his account. He's already double his account. He's already 300 somewhere. Maybe I'll double also. Let's see where he's going. But it's trading more GBP NZ and 62%. Then number three also is trading what do you call? Maybe I must get here. Let's see. This one got 100% win rate, because he only took three trades, sorry, and all of them he just win them. Let me see number one. Number one took a main trade. What? This guy lose this money, but he's still number two. Maybe I'm confusing, but let's see. Anyway, guys, so it is what it is, and people, they are trading properly, and some of the people, now this one, I think he lost also because it took so many trade. Yeah, so we're gonna see what is happening. And number one, this is number one. So I don't know if there was a guy that was number one. I don't know where is his name, why they remove him. It was the guy that was number one. So, and let's see what is happening. The guy was sitting like in 400 something. But let's see what is going to happen. Then I'll let you guys know what is happening with my account. Sharp guys.